Good morning, students. Hope you all are well. Dear parents, we need your support. Kindly submit your what quiz. Dear students, you are watching Class 7 Science Chapter 4 Chemicals and Chemical Changes Part 3rd. Dear students, in this video we will discuss about mixture. So let's start. An impure substance formed when two or more substances are physically mixed together in any ratio is called mixture. Dear students, mixture are the substance in which two or more substances are physically mixed together. Sugar solution, salt solution, air are a few examples of mixture. The properties of a mixture are not different from its constituent components. Dear students, for example, in a mixture of sugar and water, the property of both sugar and water are retained. That is, sugar is still sweet and water is still liquid. Dear students, I will give you another example of salad. The constituent of salad do not combine chemically. We can be separate it by the physically. It can be easily separate. Dear student, the constituent of the mixture can be separated by a simple method. The constituent in a mixture do not have a fixed proportion, and their property of all constituent of a mixture are written. So dear students, we can easily separate by any physical method. Various components of a mixture can be easily separated by a simple physical methods. Now dear student, come to the chemical symbol. There are so many elements. It is very difficult to always write their full names represented using chemical symbol. Dear students, with the 118 elements and the million compounds, writing their full name because very inconvenient and time consuming. So in the earlier picture, symbol was used to represent element. Then the John Dalton and English scientist improved these symbols, but with the increase in the number of known element, this method become very tedious. To overcome this, abbreviation are used to represent elements. These abbreviations are called what? Chemical symbol. Chemical symbols are the short form of the name of element that are used to represent elements. For example, O is a symbol of used to represent oxygen. CO is a chemical symbol of represent of cobalt element. So dear students, that symbol represent what? That symbol represent the element, name of the element. Now some elements are represented by a single letter derived from its name. The symbol is always in a capital. Dear students, symbol of any element, if we are talking, it is always in a capital letter. The symbol of some elements, the first letter element is the capital letter, then the second letter is small. We will discuss further. For example, hydrogen is represented by the H, capital H. Oxygen is represented by O, capital O. Nitrogen is represented by N, capital N. If the name of two or more elements start with the same letters, either the first two words of the name or the combination of the first letter and the another letter are used to symbol, the first letter is capital and the second letter is written in the lower cases. Earlier I told you first is in a capital and second in a small. For example, carbon is represented by C, where calcium is by a Ca. C is capital and A is small. Chromium by C is capital, first letter is capital, then second is small. So now dear students, now you understood when the two or more elements that begin with the same letter, their symbols takes two letter, first letter capitalized while the second letter is small case. So now dear students, come to the next. The symbol of some elements are derived from Latin or Greek names. For example, the Latin name of the sodium is natrium and the chemical name is Na. The Greek name of mercury is hydrargyrum and its chemical symbol is Hg. Dear students, symbol of some elements are derived from their Latin or the Greek word. For example, Fe is a symbol of iron. In Latin name that is called what? Ferrum. Copper is Cu first letter and that is derived from the Latin word cuprum. Same with the gold also, Au for the gold, and after Latin names is what? Aurum. So dear students, now you understood. Now come to the table, list some elements with their names and chemical symbol. Now dear student, come to the element aluminium, that symbol is Al. Argon, that symbol is Ar. Beryllium, symbol is Be. Boron, symbol is B. Calcium, symbol is Ca. Carbon, symbol is C. Chlorine, Cl. Cobalt, Co. Copper, Cu. Fluorine, F. Now dear students, come to the next. Neon, Ne. Oxygen, O. Phosphorus, P. Potassium, that is derived from the Latin word kalium, symbol is K. Silicon, Si. Silver, argentinum, from the Latin words, symbol is Ag. Sodium, natrium, symbol is Na. Sulfur, S. Zinc, Zn. Zirconium, Zr. So dear students, you have to learn these elements and symbol of these elements carefully. Dear student, that is your homework. You have to read carefully and learn this thoroughly, these symbols of element. Thank you student. Stay home, be safe.